Hello, we're getting this Bryan Ropar trade so YouTube channel on the track now. Nah, like that. Come on, something quickly. Hello, we're getting this Bryan Ropar trade so YouTube channel up and running nicely now. So what we got some Klein tools here. Yeah. I got all this crap that has on the shelf and they're all in this stuff and organized. So let's see what we got. We got my alignments, alignment knife, got your cutters, wire strippers. So you're gonna find wire for your control equipment. Got my hand drill, full fuse pullers. You don't really need that for this. Meter, a few things. That's for your 120, 240, 480, 277, what, 480, 600 volt. And you might use 4160 for industrial, for like the transformers. You got your alignments wrench, everything you need there. 5/8 drill bit ready for 5/8 hardware. So we got our big wire cutter down here. It's good enough for a 3-inch phone line. We got some automatic dead ends. Got our wedge clamps. Got a preform. Easiest cable clamp in the world. Get your cable tight. Line up these paint here. Wrap it on the wire. That's all I can do. Very easy. Automatic dead end. Just pull your guy, put your guy wire in there. Pull it tight. So we got all our clamps. Got our clamps. Got our lock washers. Some lock nuts. Lock washers, some insulator pins. I always take about 4 insulator pins because sometimes you need a neutral on an arm. And you need 4 pins for that. Some suspension insulators, there's 3 of them because you may do 3-phase. So what do we got? We got our neutral spool insulator clamp, what kind of shit there? Probably don't say that. You know, all our nuts and everything on there. Everything's in order of what we need. Always put what you need closest to your hand. Right hand. So what we got? And this rope is crappy. Pretty much did 2 1/2 inches. Normally you tie it like a square knot, but this rope sucks. There's your pulley knot, slip knot. Sheep shank. What else you got? You got this overhand knot. Overhand knot and a bite. Yeah. It's all there. Pretty much put 2 loops in this rope. The part you're going to hoist up with this. And put all your hardware and tools on there like I do. Tell you what, in this day and age, you're not allowed to carry any hardware tools on if you're climbing. The climber is no longer allowed to carry any hardware tools whatsoever. It's got to be in this stuff. So what happens was people are putting in tool belts, they fall on it and it kills them. And it stabs you when you fall. Yeah, you don't do that anymore. Yeah, from now on, climbers are banned from carrying any tools or equipment on them. Or hardware. So they're all there. Come on, Bryan, $7.25 is that the best you can do. $7.25, that's it. Ain't you need something better than that. Bryan, you need like a $12.50 or something like that. It'd be good if I said $12.50. I wish I said $12.50. I mean, Bryan, it's like freaking phone line and cable here. You want power, you want at least 50 feet. I mean, come on. I mean, seriously, $7.25? I'd like about $12.60 better. Oh well. I mean, $12.60 to give you a real thrill. I think you can see the whole neighbor from up if you did that. Oh well. Alright, that's enough jabbering on. You can see how well this YouTube channel's coming along now. See you later.